Have you ever wondered why your vision seems to slowly fade as you get older? If you're over 60, protecting your eyes is more important than ever. The good news is, what you put on your plate can actually help repair and maintain your eyesight, even while you sleep. Today, we're going to uncover 4 powerful cooked vegetables that seniors should eat regularly to support eye health naturally. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which vegetables to include in your diet tonight for a stronger, clearer vision tomorrow. First on the list is carrots. You've probably heard that carrots are good for your eyes. And that's not just an old wives' tale. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A nutrient, essential for maintaining the surface of your eye, the cornea, and for night vision. Cooking carrots may actually increase the availability of beta-carotene, making it easier for your body to absorb. A simple tip for seniors is to steam or lightly saute carrots in olive oil. The healthy fats help your body absorb more of the vitamin A. Imagine enjoying a warm plate of honey-glazed carrots tonight, knowing that each bite is actively supporting your eyesight while you sleep. Next up, we have spinach. Spinach is packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants that accumulate in your retina and help protect against age-related macular degeneration. These compounds act like natural sunglasses for your eyes, filtering out harmful blue light and oxidative stress. Cooking spinach actually makes these antioxidants more available. A gentle saute with garlic and a pinch of salt is all you need to maximize the benefit. Adding a few leaves to your dinner tonight could help shield your eyes from daily damage and keep your vision sharp. Third on our list is sweet potatoes. Like carrots, sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, but they also bring potassium, fiber, and other essential nutrients to the table. Sweet potatoes are particularly effective when baked or roasted, as this preserves most of the nutrients and makes the beta-carotene more bioavailable. A warm serving of roasted sweet potato cubes not only adds color and flavor to your plate, but also nourishes your eyes from the inside out. Seniors who enjoy a sweet, satisfying dish before bed can rest easy knowing their vision is getting support while they sleep. The fourth and final vegetable is red bell peppers. These colorful peppers are high in both vitamin C and carotenoids, which help strengthen blood vessels in the eyes and fight oxidative stress. Cooking red bell peppers slightly through roasting or light sauteing enhances the bioavailability of carotenoids while retaining most of the vitamin C. Including red peppers in your evening meals can actively protect the delicate structures of your eyes and support overall eye health. So, how do you put all of this together for maximum effect? A simple dinner plate combining these 4 vegetables is not only delicious, but also a vision-protecting powerhouse. Start with a base of steamed or sautéed carrots. Add a side of lightly sautéed spinach with garlic. Include roasted sweet potato cubes. And finish with roasted or lightly sautéed red bell peppers. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil enhances nutrient absorption and adds flavor. This combination ensures that your eyes get a concentrated dose of vitamin A, lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin C, and other essential antioxidants all while you sleep. Now, you might be wondering, how often should I eat these vegetables? Ideally, seniors should include at least 1 or 2 servings of these vegetables daily. Consistency is key because the nutrients accumulate over time in your eyes, building up a natural defense system. Even small portions at dinner can make a big difference if eaten regularly. It's also important to note that while these vegetables are incredibly beneficial, A holistic approach works best. Protect your eyes from prolonged exposure to screens. Wear sunglasses when outdoors and avoid smoking, which accelerates oxidative damage. Hydration also plays a role. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps. Maintain healthy eye moisture and nutrient transport. Let's also touch on cooking tips. Overcooking can reduce nutrient levels, so aim for gentle steaming, roasting, or sautéing. Pairing these vegetables with healthy fats, like olive oil or avocado, enhances absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Season simply with herbs, a dash of salt, or lemon juice to keep the flavors fresh without added sugars or excessive sodium. Finally, remember that age-related vision changes are normal, but they don't have to define your golden years. By incorporating these cooked vegetables into your nightly routine, you're giving your eyes the best chance to repair, regenerate, and stay healthy. It's never too late to start, and the earlier you begin, the more your eyes will benefit. To recap, seniors should focus on carrots for beta-carotene and night vision, spinach for lutein and zeaxanthin to protect against macular degeneration, sweet potatoes for beta-carotene and essential nutrients that nourish your eyes, red bell peppers for vitamin C and carotenoids that strengthen eye blood vessels. A simple, colorful plate, including all four, can become your nightly ritual, one that supports your eyes while you sleep and helps you wake up with sharper vision. So tonight, as you prepare your dinner, remember to include these vegetables. Your eyes will thank you, your vision will improve over time, and you'll be actively fighting the natural decline that comes with age. A small change in your diet today can translate into a big difference in how you see the world tomorrow. Your eyes are precious, and the foods you eat can be some of the most powerful tools to keep them healthy. By embracing this natural, simple approach, seniors can enjoy stronger, clearer vision well into their golden years. Don't wait, start tonight, and make these vegetables a permanent part of your eye care routine.